Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Dizzy Discovery. This is a quick one. I've been caught short, I ain't got my camera with me, so I'm doing it on my phone. I thought I'd do it today with the weather being a bit better. I'd come back to this place that I got a few photos off last time. A few people did ask if I get any video, so I'm just getting a bit while I'm here. I will pass in, the sun's out, still muddy as hell around here, like, but I'll get a bit of footage for you guys who've requested it. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to get, but it's definitely a nice day today. And with this there you go guys, this is an abandoned building that's just been left to decay. And if any of you guys know what these things are, please leave a comment below. I have an idea, I think, but I could be totally wrong. Most times I am. And I think this is a little dumpster or something over there. Yeah, I think it's a dumpster. Initially when I come up in bad weather, I thought it might have been the front half of one of them Land Rover Defenders, but definitely not. Looks like someone's been, I don't know, you can see that through the bushes there on the camera, but someone's been gathering the stone. I think since last time I come, I'm sticking it on the windowsill. Strange. Not got the right footwear on today, guys. Got my trainers on, like I said. I was just passing, so I thought I'd get some footage for you guys. But the view from here is brilliant. Just a bit further over to the left, if this bush here wasn't in the way, that would be Manchester City Centre. Let's see if I can get a bit closer. I'm not getting too far in today. I've not got the right clothing, footwear and nothing with me. Like I said, it's just a spur of the moment thing. I think it's the doorway where the floor used to be. There were only low ceilings in this, from the looks of it. This is where it's totally come in, the roof and everything. Apparently that bit, it's all collapsed there, went off into a big barn, which I don't know if you can see through there. That's the remainder of the barn. Apparently we're a big barn with huge doors. It seems to have collapsed outwards. Not really much to say about this place, but I've got some other things planned this weekend. Hopefully some really good places. I've got some meetups with some other explorers who have some good locations for me, I think. Have a quick look down here. I went down here before, but it's difficult for me. Right, this is where the barn was. Strong kind of smell of cannabis around here. I don't know if that's just in my head, but I can smell it. Really bad. Not so much over here, but over there I can. Weird. Right, what I'll do, I'll see if I can get you around the front of it. Work my way out of here. So obviously it used to be a farmhouse, but it's just amazing how something like this can just be left, you know, instead of someone snapping it up and rebuilding it and doing something with it. The location of it is really nice. The view anyway. It's just hills and fields all around. Get a bit further up. Last time I came to the left of me here, there were horses, big horses. I don't know, probably sound like a shit house, to put it bluntly, but I'm a bit intimidated by the size of them when they get close. Let's see how well you're seeing that, guys. Try to brighten that up there a bit. A bit too much there, though. And I'm definitely not getting in that field today. This is as far as I can get around the front today, guys. Because I'm sorry, but I'm not ruining my my footwear. Not these ones, not my trainers. But if you want us to come back and get closer, do comment below and I'll see if I can get closer. But I don't think there's any way of getting in there, guys, without it collapsing, because it looks like it's virtually going to collapse now anyway. This was obviously the storage shed, somewhat. Another dumpster here. This might have actually been the top of that dumpster down there, you know. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, and this is the field. What's attached to this house? Oh, look, them big horses. They charged down. So I went in the field briefly last time to get some pictures. About 10 minutes after I got out, they come charging down into the other field. So I'm glad I weren't there. They might have dodged me or whatever. It might have gone round me, but I know nothing about horses. So, and apart from that they're big, got a lot of weight behind them. And if they barge into you, I'm sure I'm not coming back. come back. If you do want me to come back, comment down below and I'll try to get closer. I'll go in there next time. Yeah, it's at risk of collapsing, I think, but I think just one person going in, being very careful, I think we'll be okay. We'll see. It's just got so much potential of what it could be, and from what it was. And like I said, it does go over there. I don't know if you can see that through the bushes. So it was quite a large footprint it had. Yeah, the stack there looks like it's veering off to the left slightly. Oh, looks like it's ready to collapse. I think it all is, to tell you the truth. But I'll tell you what, there is some beauty in a building decaying like this. It's a shame, but it shows how nature can take anything back. Maybe everything we leave behind will get taken back by nature and there'll be nothing left to say that we were ever here. That's just the remainder of the this is bad here. The remainder of the barn that I was talking about. You can see the house there, and this is how far it came out to with the barn. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. The ones who requested the video, there you go. Sorry it weren't too long. As I said, it was a flyby trip. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Press the like button. Please press the like button. And I will see you in part 2. Thanks a lot guys. Bye. See, it's really muddy around here, but this is the location that I did a few photographs of. And now I don't know any history about this place, got no history on whatsoever about it, but what I do know is that planning permission was given in 2015 to have it rebuilt, but I don't know, we're in 2020 now and nothing's been done so far. If anybody knows what this is, I think I know what it is, but if anybody knows what this is, give it a shout or leave a comment below. And what we're going to do, we're going to go around the outside of the building before we go anywhere near it, so you can get a really good look and see how decayed this building is. Now as far as I know, all this land here is part of this building. Now I do apologise for a little unstableness on the footage. Got a few technical issues today. Oh, look at that little bugger there. But this here is part of it too. Now it looks like someone has attempted, I've started gathering bricks some time ago to rebuild maybe. We've got more over there. Oh, watching me now. I believe it's some kind of, obviously, shed storage, but looks like an area shelter. Highly unlikely. Dumpster there, decaying away. This, like I said, got a lot of land with it. Horses crouched down there. And this is the full view, as you can see. It's unlikely that you can hear me due to the wind. I do apologise, but I'll do my best so you can get a voice. If anybody knows anything who's local to me about the history of this building, please do let me know. I'd love to know a bit more about it. Go down, see if we can get a closer shot. Skeptical about bigger horses, so I'm going to get out of here. I know I probably sound like a shit house, but they're big. The little pony's not too bad, the bigger horses. There we go, and I'm over. So let's go and see if we can get a closer look now. We're going to see if we can get some drone footage, but I think it's going to be a bit too windy to get the drone now. Looks like someone else has been here since I've been here, because it seems to be a bit more, the track's a bit more flattened. looks like the building went right to the edge over there, it extended to there, but all that's gone. As you can see, it extended right over there. The view they have from here was amazing. It was a lovely little building when it was fully functional. I've got fucking thorns stuck in my leg and everything. Ah. Oh, fucking hell. Ow. Excuse the language. I've just seen a sign. It'll give away the location, but I think it's called Dog Hill. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to find a spot and I'm going to see if we can get some drone footage. Let's see. The marshes, saw them before come steaming down. I'm glad I worked in that field then. Like I said, them bigger horses, they scare me a little bit. Soft ass, I know. But I've not been trodden on, not been stampeded.